everyone, my name is Shoaib Chauhan. You are watching Find It Here YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox Boya M1 mic, and it is also known as lavalier mic. I don't know how to pronounce it. I hope you have understood it. But before unboxing, I want your suggestion that should I continue in English or should I continue back to the Hindi language? So tell me in comment section, what do you like the most, English or Hindi? So let's jump into the video. So before unboxing, why Boya mic only, Boya M1 mic? Why it is so famous? Why all the YouTubers, most of the YouTubers choose Boya M1 mic instead of any other cheaper mics? So the plus point of this Boya M1 mic is it is long range, means it comes with 6-meter wire. The second plus point is it can be connected to any of the devices like your smartphone, computer, laptops, and even DSLRs also. And the third and the final point that is most important with this microphone is that it clears all the background sound so that what you speak is clear and loud. So now let's go on and unbox this. So here is the Boya M1 mic. So now we are going to quickly unbox this Boya M1 mic and see the content that are present inside the box. So here are some details. You can connect to smartphone, the high quality condenser that we have already talked. So quickly unbox this Boya M1 mic and see the content inside it. So nothing much in this box. Here is some warranty card and some safety guide, tools using. It's simple, so we don't need it. And here is a leather pouch that we get, and inside this pouch here is Boya M1 mic. The quality of the mic we will talk about it in later, and some microphone sponge and some for DSLR tool and clip. And there is nothing much inside the pouch, and the leather quality of this pouch is quite amazing at this price range. At this price range, here is the Boya, here is the highlight of Boya name and logo of the company. So let's keep this aside and talk about the microphone that we get. Here is the DSLR connection, connecting pin and battery pins, clip and sponge microphone. So here is the microphone. It's 6 meter long and 3.5 mm jack we get here. It's the condenser, and here we get the option of camera off and smartphone to switch between camera and smartphone. So we are now recording to smartphone, and we will check this quality of this Boya M1 mic while connecting with smartphone. But the wire quality is quite amazing. Here we get clip that we can attach. So it's quite a long wire. So now let's just check the quality. Here we have to just attach this to microphone like this. Also use the clip to attach. The box packaging is also quite amazing at this price range. You get each separate products. Here is the attachments. Here you have to just attach this clip like this, and you can just attach it to your shirt and pin, shirt, t-shirt. So let's just start. So to insert the batteries that are available here, you have to just roll this and open it. There is the battery option. Now you are listening the audio coming from OnePlus Buds that is normally we used in our video, and now we are going to connect Boya M1 mic with our device. And before that, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then hit the subscribe button and also like the video. So now we have connected this Boya M1 mic with our device, and you can see the difference in sound quality between the OnePlus Buds and Boya M1 mic. And if you are using this Boya M1 mic, I will tell you that I prefer that you should keep this mic at a certain distance and don't keep it near to the mouth. It will give you the best result. And if you haven't watched our previously uploaded unboxing videos like OnePlus 8T and iPhone 11, go and check it out. And also we have uploaded a battle between the OnePlus Buds Z versus Realme Buds Z Pro. So give your feedback in the comment section. And the recently uploaded is about free Netflix, so go and check it out. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and like the video. So my final opinion of this Boya M1 mic is that it's amazing, but the problem is that even it is amazing, you have to keep your surrounding quiet in a pack room, like a room that is covered with curtains and some noise cancellation windows type. You have to be surrounded with noise cancellation, as it can capture some amount of noise from background also. It's good, but it is the best that you can get it from the budget, and its price now is 700 rupees. I have purchased it from Amazon. There is an offer. Its original price is rupees 2000 and now it is getting from 700. If you want to purchase this Boya M1 mic, then link is given in description. Check it out and give your feedback in the comment section. Like this video, and let's meet in the next video.